This video is how I would organise my media in Premiere Pro. So I have all of my clips and music and photos here, and I have it all put into a bin straight away. You don't have to. To be honest with you, I did do that by accident. Make sure that you're pressed on your media bins there, and then press Ctrl and B at the same time. That will make a new bin. So I usually have one for footage, and then if you go over to your footage, so undo Shift, and then press left click at the end of the last video clip, and then you put them all in at once. And then I would do same for audio, so just Ctrl B, audio, put in all of it, and then I do same for photos. Okay, so that's the basics of it, and you could just leave it there. But if, let's say in your footage, for example, you have separate bits, so let's say this one might be your A footage and then your B footage. Also for my videos, I kind of organise it. When I'm editing, I have one that says video clips, and then the other thing that I organise it in is stock footage. So then let's just say they all are stock footage clip. This bit here is my video clip, and then this bit here is my stock footage. And now they're all organised, so I'm not like confused going all over. Another thing that you can do is just label them to a different colour, so it's easier, but that's already done there. If you want to access your general project bit, you could just press like your project name there. There are loads of bins here, and you've got your stock video that we just went over. I got one for photos, I don't really need to do much more with that, and same with audio. Watch this one here if you want to. Subscribe.